In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram ID login problem or the Instagram app not working fix easily. If you are trying to log into the Instagram with the correct username and password but is still seeing messages like unavailable to login, an unexpected error occurred, please trying again, or the password you entered is incorrect, please try again later, then this video is for you. These errors usually have the same solution, so if you are facing any of those problems, make sure to watch this video until the end. First of all, let me tell you that this issue is unusually not caused by your Instagram account. In most cases, it happens because of the Instagram app network issue or corrupted app data. Step 1. Clear Instagram app data. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen or app drawer and tap on hold it. After that, tap on the app info icon to open the app info page. In the menu, scroll down and tap on storage to open the storage page. Here you can see the two options. First, tap on the clear cache option, then tap on the clear data and confirm it. Don't worry, this will not delete your followers, following, post, chats, reel, photos or any other account data. It only clears the app local file storage on your device. Step 2. Uninstall Instagram. Now go back to the previous screen, tap on the uninstall and confirm by tapping uninstall again. Step 3. Restart your phone. Now press and hold the power button and volume down button for a few seconds. After that, tap on the restart option and confirm it. And wait to complete the restart your phone. This will refresh your network and system issue on your device. Step 4. Reinstall Instagram app from the Google Play Store. After your phone restarts, open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram. Once you found the app, tap on the install button and wait to complete the process. Step 5. Try logging in again. Once the installation is complete, open the Instagram app and try logging into your account. If you are still unable to log in, tap on forgot password. Then enter your username or email address and tap on continue. Instagram will send an OTP or a login link to your registered email address or mobile number. You can then log in using the OTP, use the login without password option, or reset your password and create a new one. If you receive the OTP or login link by email or WhatsApp, open it and use the code or link to log in. If you are still facing the problem, if the app still doesn't let you log in after trying everything, open the Chrome browser on your phone, go to instagram.com and log in using your username and password. In many cases, users are able to log in successfully through the web browser. That's it today's video. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Fix Your Apps for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.